MPS installation. To install MPS, you simply need to run MPS installer. It will automatically download the newest MPS version and it will install it into your MetaTrader 4 platform folder. And before we run MPS installer, let me show you how my platform looks like. So this is the second platform that is installed on my computer and it is absolutely empty. If we open indicator folder, we have nothing. If we open expert advisors folder, we have nothing as well. Okay, now let's run MPS installer. Double click to open. If you run it for the first time, Windows Defender Smart Screen may prevent it from running. Just click here, more info, and press run anyway button. So you have this pop-up window that tells you that this wizard will download and install MPS files into a MetaTrader 4 terminal folder, and if you have old files already installed, then it will replace them. So if you want to keep your old files, make sure that you back up them first before you download and install new ones. There are two options: only download or download and install. The download and install button will download files and automatically install them into a MetaTrader 4 platform, and only download will simply download files and it won't install them. Let us use the download and install button. So if you press this button, you see the folder is created where all MPS files are placed, and then a dialog window appears where you are supposed to choose the platform you wish the files to be installed. I want my files to be installed into my second platform, so I choose this one and I click select folder. MPS files successfully installed. Now let's go to open my second platform and let us see what changes we have. So you can see that in indicator folders we have fastback test utility and MPS installed, and in expert advisors we have pattern trade assistant installed as well. So if we run MPS, let us load some presets, and in preset folder we also have the standard pattern preset set, which is also installed. Press OK, disable some patterns that we don't want to be displayed, and you can see everything working, drawing patterns both on history and for real-time trading. Well, that's it about MPS installation. If you want to update your old MPS, you simply need to run MPS installer for the second time. This time Windows Defender is not preventing it from running, and you just download and install it, or you simply only download the newest version of MPS and then install it manually. So let's download and install it. Let us choose our MetaTrader platform, select MPS installed. That's it. Good luck, and I hope you will enjoy MPS.